Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at an 06 Chevy 2500 pickup that has a power steering leak. We got the vehicle in, lifted it up, noticed there was a bunch of power steering fluid all over the place, so we cleaned that off, test drove it again, and we noticed here, as you can see from the pictures, that the fluid was leaking out of the seal of the gearbox where the steering column attaches. We told the customer he would need a new gearbox to solve the issue. Went ahead and put a new gearbox in for him and test drove it to make sure all the leaks were taken care of. The car was back to normal, not leaking fluid as it should be. So if you notice some puddles underneath your car in your garage or wherever you park normally and you're not sure where they're coming from, please feel free to give us a call. We offer free inspection. My name's Dan. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.